Unlocking a smartphone just to dim the lights for a movie is easily the most annoying part of modern living. You have to track down the device, wake the screen, find the right app, and then wait for it to connect to your network. By the time you actually find the slider, the moment has passed. This is exactly why this compact new smart remote, currently hitting shelves across Europe, is such a game changer for the average home. It is small, incredibly light, and does not pretend to be anything other than a dedicated physical controller. It sits on your side table or sticks to the wall, blending in perfectly with that clean, functional look we have come to expect from the Swedish design giants. There are 4 buttons total. You get the standard up and down for brightness, but the real magic is in the 2 customizable buttons. You can set these up to trigger entire scenes with a single tap. Maybe you want a soft, warm glow for reading, or a bright, crisp light for cleaning up after dinner. It handles it all without a single screen in sight. The buttons have a really nice, tactile click that gives you instant confirmation. It feels sturdy. No weird creaking or flimsy plastic here. Because it is so straightforward, it is a perfect solution for households with kids or guests who might not have your home app installed on their own phones. Even for older family members, this feels familiar and easy. Setting it up is remarkably painless. If you have their dedicated smart hub, you just pair it through the main app and you are good to go in under 3 minutes. For those who are just dipping their toes into smart lighting, you can even pair this remote directly to a single bulb without any hub at all. It is that flexible. The performance is snappier than you might expect, with the lights reacting almost the second your finger hits the plastic. No lag, no waiting for a cloud server to wake up, just instant results. It relies on a standard coin cell battery that stays powered for months on end. They skip the backlight to save on energy, which is a fair trade for not having to swap batteries every few weeks. It works seamlessly across their entire range of smart panels, fixtures, and bulbs. While it uses a common wireless protocol, it is really at its best when staying within its own family of products. It is rare to find a piece of tech this affordable that actually makes life simpler instead of more complicated. It removes that digital barrier between you and your environment, making your home feel more responsive and intuitive. In a world obsessed with putting a screen on everything, this little device is a quiet reminder that sometimes the best interface is just a well-placed button. It is fast, it is reliable, and it provides incredible value for anyone looking to streamline their daily routines without the constant need for a glowing screen. It takes the friction out of your evening. It lets you stay in the moment. Whether you are dimming the lights for a quiet night in or shutting everything down as you head out the door, it just works. There is no guesswork involved, no complicated menus to navigate, just a simple physical connection to the technology in your home. It represents a shift back toward practical, accessible tools that anyone can use. For the price of a couple of coffees, you get a reliable way to manage your environment that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. It is a small addition that makes a massive difference in how you interact with your space every single day.